everybody, welcome back. Background's a little bit different. As I had mentioned in a previous video, we have moved. The people that owned the house we were renting decided to sell, and fair play to them. The rules that have come in about all of the, fitness tests to see whether the house you're renting out is fit for purpose have changed and have become a lot tougher and a lot stricter. And when you have a lot of properties, that cost, quickly mounts up. So they decided to sell, and that's fine. We're not mad at them. But that meant that we had to move, and in the town that we live in, the housing rental prices increased dramatically in the 5 years that we were living in that house. When we first moved into that house, it was a 3-bedroom, fully fenced with, a heat pump, double car garage, big backyard, big front yard. It only cost us about $280 a week when we moved in. By the time we moved out, it was about $340. But in that time, rental prices, skyrocketed for a 2-bedroom house with no off-street parking, no backyard, and absolutely no pets allowed. It was costing nearly $600 a week, and that's something that we couldn't afford, especially since I'm a stay-at-home parent. My husband works full-time, and I'm very thankful that he does work full-time, and which means I can stay at home, but it's just not a realistic price for us to rent, which would mean I would have to go into full-time work as well, and then I would also be working to pay for childcare for all of my kids, and I didn't want to get rid of my animals, and so it was just an unrealistic goal. So what we've done is we've moved back home with my mum, and so what are you doing? Come here. Come on. You coming? So Mum's given us the living room, which we've turned into a bedroom for the 3 older kids, and Doreen, my husband, and I, we have taken the smallest bedroom. And so say hello. You like seeing yourself on camera. So we've just taken the smallest spare room. And yes, and there's sheep. There is. My mum's house backs onto a sheep paddock. And you do. You see the sheep every day. And do you like living with Nan? Nan makes yummy food. And we all work together. We split the costs down the middle. So we pay half the rent, half the power, half the internet. We have our own fridge, and we have our own shelving units in the walk-in pantry. So I'm not going to tour the house because it's not all mine. I'll tour my room. I won't tour the kids' room because I guess they're still decorating and figuring it all out. And so I'll give you a tour of my room, my little vanity area, and the things that I really enjoy, and then we'll come back. So when you first come in the door, you'll see Doreen's bed. She's taking a nap right now. Mine and my husband's bed. It's a real bed, and it's so cool. Swing around with some big beautiful windows, TV, Sergeant Farrett, my mannequin. If you want to know why he's called Sergeant Farrett, even though it's obviously a female form, watch The Dressmaker with Kate Winslet and you'll figure it out. Got some DVD storage, TV, just a painting, got nappies, all of Waffle's fleeces, got Waffles right here, and all of Waffle's personal effects underneath here. And we've put an old radiator in front of it because Doreen likes to just open things and empty things out at the moment. Swing around, we've got storage for all of my husband's clothes, all of my clothes, and all of Doreen's clothes. And up here we have my dressing table vanity type area, makeup, overflow skincare stuff, makeup brushes. I'm not exactly sure, but they're just pretty and they're kind of fun to collect. Got my skincare fridge, deodorant, my compressed sheet masks, the only perfume I like, nail clippers. I keep a lot because they go missing a lot. Up here I have my sewing machine, extra sanitizer and stuff, camera, my Millennium Falcon Lego set. Down here we have extra sheet masks, more overflow of skincare and sewing things. Down here we've got just some random tubs, and these two tubs down there and that one down there, that's fabric storage. I have a big roll of fabric, sword storage. And come out here, we've got art supplies, thread, buttons and sewing needles and things. Got a few things on the wall. Map of Middle Earth, obviously essential. Colour swatches. I find that when you buy paint, it always dries different than what it looks like in the tube, so I make colour swatches and then I label the paint so that I know if I want to paint with it what it's going to look like when it's actually dry. I've got some paintings that I've done, that's a Bob Ross tutorial, and some paintings I've made for my husband which he has requested. And down here just a little tiny Bob Ross for waffles. My favourite part about this room is this. It's a door and it closes and it's so cool. I haven't had a proper bedroom door in such a long time. And also the bed. I don't have to fold up a sofa every day and then unpack it every night. And this is my room. My room back at my mummy's house. Well, that's it. That's the tour of my room. I hope you enjoyed it. I guess we're back to regularly scheduled programming in the next video. What are you happy about? Yes! This bump? Oh, boom. One hand. What are you doing? What's this all about? This bump? Okay. I'll see you in another video. Bye.